Patrick, Michael here. Okay, so this is essentially what I had been using anyways, and so I probably should have done this a long time ago, but this is a lot easier way because then you can just put the data in the way that I need it. But what you can see here is, if you look up here, I got a pretty complex Excel formula that basically, based on what's in this field, will generate the correct SQL that I need to run. A couple things. So this over here. I want you to put the existing class ID and the name, and then if it's a rename, then this is really important to put the new name, because you see the code here is it's just going to set the name to acupuncturist where ID equals 21. So that's where it's getting that from. The remove ones, those are pretty self-explanatory, but the catch here is removals, renames, deletes. This is not a delete. This is consolidate. So these are the ones you in your past things you had some like you can't go and say other name and make it the same as acupuncturist, because now you're going to have a duplicate, and actually the database doesn't allow for a duplicate. So what you need to do is, if you pick the one that you want to rename, and then the other one would actually come down here, and you're going to, so like other would be, you're going to make an acupuncturist, and here you're going to put the ID of this guy right here. So now you can put 211 here, and it's going to, and I'm going to run them in order too. So first we're going to delete the ones we don't need. Then we're going to rename them, and then now that they're renamed, I'm going to take the ones that you want and put them in to consolidate them. So basically, whatever's here under rename, this list should be a unique list. And you almost have to be a little extra careful too, because I found this problem on the data you just gave me, is that if you're renaming something, you need to first make sure that it actually doesn't already exist, because there are a couple of those in that case, and I had to move them from rename to consolidate to make it work. So check for that, and then, but basically, once you put all that stuff in here, it's going to generate this. In fact, I'll just put this all the way down here. I'm going to set that up so it doesn't show anything if it's blank, but basically it will, or you can just drag them down like I did. You know how to use Excel. Just do that. Just drag down the formula for the ones that you need, and then send it back to me, and it'll be pretty easy to run. All right, so let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully that gets you set up.